4-in-1 convertible car seat, infant to toddler car seat, with 10 years of use. About the product. 4-in-1 Graco car seat gives you 10 years of use from 4 to 120 pounds. Rear-facing baby car seat from 4 to 40 pounds. Forward-facing toddler car seat from 22 to 65 pounds. Booster seats in high back belt positioning mode from 30 to 100 pounds and backless belt positioning mode from 40 to 120 pounds. InRight latch system for an easy, 1-second latch attachment. Graco ProtectPlus Engineered, a combination of the most rigorous crash tests that helps protect your child in frontal, side, rear and rollover crashes, additional testing based on the new car assessment program and for extreme car interior temperatures. The Graco exclusive InRight latch attachment provides an easy, 1-second attachment with an audio click cue to help ensure secure installation. The machine washable seat cover is easy to remove. The Forever 4-in-1 car seat is suitable for babies starting at 4 pounds.